There's a lot of videos out there that are going to cover what we're going to cover. But the thing is, it's all going to be in one video, which can make you feel overwhelmed. So let's not do a long video, and let's take you step by step in today's video. And today, we're going to cover how to connect your OBS to your Twitch account. So first things first, you want to open up the program. You want to make sure you have everything set in stone, ready to go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to make your way to the upper left hand corner, find File, and then scroll down. You should see Settings. Now there is another way that you can do this. If you make your way to the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you should find Settings as well, and you'll be able to click it, and this screen should pop up. And the thing that we're looking for is called Stream. If you click into that, you should now be looking at a screen that shows you the service you can use, connect your account, or your stream key. 9 times out of 10, you're just going to want to connect your account so you don't have to keep getting a stream key every time you start to stream. And once you click Connect Account, a window will pop up having you log in to your Twitch. And don't worry, it's completely safe. Just log in and you should be ready to stream. And that's how it's done. That's how you connect your OBS to your Twitch account. If this was helpful in any way, please like, please subscribe, and I'll do more videos for you.